Hi everyone, welcome back to Fat Cat Toy Collector. Today we're making the Republic Frigate by LEGO Star Wars. Frigates were large ships, and this one was used at the start of the Clone Wars. Let's see what's inside. Here are the instructions that we'll use. And here's a small bag of some of the smaller pieces. Okay, are you ready to start? There it is. That's the Republic Frigate. At the start of the Clone Wars, Senator Palpatine had lots of these ships made. It was a pretty big ship, and that dark red color is the color of the Republic. Alright, that's it for this toy. Thanks for joining us at Fat Cat Toy Collector, and see you soon!